Hello, and welcome again to the Graphic Design School. In this video, we will cover type in Inkscape. Please enjoy. Type in Inkscape is controlled with the Text tool, the Text and Font dialog box, as well as the Commands bar. Type can be created on a line, which types out in a single horizontal line until a carriage return is placed, or in a rectangle. This rectangle acts as a bounding box, which contains the type. When type reaches the edge of the bounding box, type is automatically carriage returned, just like in a word processing program. In either case, type can be selected with the selector tool and manipulated like a vector object. It can also be highlighted with the text tool. However, it is only with the text tool that type can be controlled with the type tools. To create type on a line, select the text tool and click in the desired starting location. A blinking cursor will appear. Go ahead and type. Type will go on indefinitely until a carriage return is inserted by pressing Return or Enter. To create type in a rectangle, select the text tool, click and hold. With the mouse still depressed, create a box, as if you were creating a marquee. When you release, a blinking cursor will appear. Start typing. Notice how when the type reaches the edges, it automatically carriage returns. Type in a rectangle has one extra feature. At the bottom corner, you will notice a node. Click, hold, and drag to readjust the size of the rectangle. This will also affect the flow of the copy inside. Once type has been created, it can be controlled with the Text and Font dialog box, or with the Commands bar associated with the Text tool. To change typeface and type size, first select your type. With the Text tool, click on the type. It will become selected. This is different from selecting it with the selector tool. Remember, type can only be manipulated when it's been selected or highlighted with the text tool. Once selected, click on the Text and Font dialog box icon. Under Font Family, you can select a new typeface. Under Font Size, you can set a new size. Click Apply to see it change. Segments of type can be altered independently by highlighting them with the text tool. Typeface and size can also be accessed in the Commands bar. To justify your type, select your type with the text tool. In the Text and Font dialog box, select your justification under Layout. You can do left align, which is default, center align, right align, and justified. Justification can also be accessed in the commands bar. To kern type, highlight the desired type with the text tool. Press Alt or Option and the greater than sign to expand, and Alt or Option and the less than sign to compress. To adjust leading, select your type with the text tool. Access the Text and Font dialog box. Under line spacing, choose your percentage. It is important to note that leading is only relevant to copy on multiple lines. Type can also be put on a path, which allows you to curve and shape type. To put type on a path, first create some type on a line, as well as a path. Then, with the selector tool, select both the desired type and path. Under Text, select Put on Path. When created, the path or object will retain its fill and stroke. You can get rid of this in the Fill and Stroke panel. Make sure to only select the path though. To remove the type from the path, select the type, and under Text, go to Remove from Path. If you are new to our videos, let me introduce ourselves. We are an international graphic design school. We currently run a 12-module self-paced diploma online graphic design course. This is just one of many of our video courses. We also have video courses on GIMP, Scribus, as well as the Adobe Creative Suite. Please visit our YouTube account page or visit us online at www.thegraphicdesignschool.com.